Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to present this Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. Registered the 20th of September 2016 on a 66 plate with 8,674 miles and presented in graphite black. This lovely example benefits from well-documented full main dealer service history, with the last service being completed just 857 miles ago, with 7 stamps in the service book and receipts. It's also fitted with must-have extras which include R&G engine case covers, R&G aeroframe sliders, carbon effect rear hugger, wavy front brake discs, Cosso tail tidy, genuine Honda rear seat cowl, the rear seat is also included, and a super-sounding Akrapovic exhaust. The Fireblade is always a top contender in the sports bike world and firm favorite of ours as it's simply brilliant. It has the right balance between track-ready performance and street usability. While it has the power and technology to perform at the highest level on a racetrack, it also remains comfortable and easy to handle for everyday riding. This superb example comes serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.